So in this one, what I want to show you is how you would create your own custom theme. So what you need to do is you need to come up here to page layout, and then you go to, now what you need to do first is we're going to go to colors, and then we're going to set up the colors as per the blog post. So I go here to colors, I go to customize colors, and I'm going to leave the text in the background as is, okay? And then for accent 1, I'm going to go down to more colors, and then you see there's the hex number, but you can also choose a color, choose one of the standards, use an RGB option. But if I use a hex color here, copy and paste this in, and then I click OK. First one done, and then I go to the second one, and I repeat the same steps. Go down to more colors, and copy and paste in this RGB. Click OK. And then the third one, I just do the same thing again. Now see there, I can have up to 6 colors, and those are the dominant colors that you would be using. And then click OK again. Oops. Let me do that. Try that now. Extra space in it. Click OK. There we go. So now I have those 3 done, and I'm going to call this website tutorial theme. And then I click save. So step 1 is just do the colors. And then I'm going to come back up here to fonts. And I'm going to go to customize fonts. And the heading font I want it to be is going to be Calibri 14 for headings. So I just come down here to this one and choose Calibri. And I'm going to choose this one here. I'm going to choose, let's see, Calibri headings. I think of Calibri headings there somewhere. Okay, and then I'm just going to choose, let's say, Calibri light. And I'm going to save this as tutorial theme. And then I click save. There's also an option up there that says effects, so I could add other different effects there if I wanted to. But what I'm going to do next is I'm now going to go here to themes, and I'm going to go to save current theme. Okay. And you see there, kind of it tends to default into a particular folder up here at the top. And what you should do is actually have a check on that when you're saving this, because if you need to share this with somebody else, you'll need to know that location. And I'm just going to call this tutorial theme. And then I click save. Now, once I've got this done, I'll come here to themes. See, there's my tutorial theme. And let's say what it gives me in design. I see that it's going to build on the colors that are there on that one. And let's see this one. See, it says Calibri light for this one. Okay, so these are just when you need to set up this one. Now, if you're sharing this with somebody else, what you'd have to do is send them the file from that location I showed you, then go to page layout, they will go to themes, and then they will go to browse for themes, and then they would load it onto their computer. All right. Hope you find that useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.